Hello everyone, welcome to Code Sprint. This is day 5 of our 50-day Python project series. So today what we are doing is we are making an AI based study planner. So what you can do, you can either use this as a project for your submission in your school level, or you can improve it and make it as college level project, or you can simply use it to plan your study. Okay, instead of making timetable manually, maybe you can make use of this program and get the suggestion from the AI and generate a timetable for yourself. So what students can do, so anybody who is studying, they can have a time management plan using this application. User will be, or the student will be giving their subjects and the date in which their exams are starting, and number of hours they can spend daily. Based on that, we will be able to generate a timetable. We are using Gemini API key to generate the uh, timetable. In fact, what you can understand, you are connecting with the AI model and getting the request, getting the output. The pre-trained AI model, we are using the API key of the model and making our own application. So I'm not going in detail with the slide. Just I will be uploading it with the GitHub. You can refer it, modify it, and learn more. So technologies I'm using is Python, Streamlit, Google Gemini AI. Okay, Streamlit will be for my front-end interface. You can use any other interface, but for the ease of use, I am using Streamlit. It is a Python framework and it is open source. So let's see how our final output will be looking. Then I will explain the code. I don't want to keep the video too long, so I'm not going in detail about all these things. Okay, all the slides, code, all those things are self-explanatory. You can look on to it and learn more. Okay, let me stop sharing this and I will share the our output screen or our final application, how it will be looking like. Here you can see this is our final application. So day 5 AI planner, that is all text I have put in Streamlit. So here this is a core part. Here you can enter the subject for this for what you want to prepare. Let's enter maths, comma, Python, and you can select the date of examination. Okay, let's select it's March 16 and 2 hours I can daily spend for learning. And you can see generate study plan. Here, what will happen? It will call the API and the API will be analyzing the inputs based on the prompt I have given in my program. Okay, in my coding, I have given the prompt, what has to be done. Based on that, we are getting the output. Similar to giving an input and getting the output based upon the pre-trained model. Okay, here you can see here is a realistic practical 14-day plan design. Maximum you are 2 hours a day, and you see a beautifully designed weekly plan is developed. You can read on to that and plan accordingly. Okay, no, there is nothing like you should follow exactly. Depending upon how you want, you can change it, or you can change the prompt also, like I can't sit study 1 hour continuously, give me break of like 10 minutes or something like that. You can give suggestions in the prompt. You see final revision and some motivational tip also is given since I have asked in the program. Okay, let me show the program. So I'm stop sharing it. Okay, let's see the program and understand it. As I told you, I will be sharing the Git. You can clone the Git and update it, change it, and use it accordingly. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have included the README. README will be giving you all the details of that. Okay, so the first portion, just I have included what we are doing. Starting from installation, you can try to understand and do accordingly. First step, Git clone. Okay, Git should be there. Git should be installed in your system. If not, please install it. Then Git clone. This our repo. Then go to the aistudio.google.com and get the API key. Okay, API key it will be allowing you to have like limited request only. So I'm not sharing my API key. So what we will be doing, we will be creating another file named .env. In that have stored my API key. Okay. So Gemini API key, you can write like this. So in README, you can see I have exactly said what has to be done. Create a .env file and Gemini API key equal to the API key that you get from aistudio.google.com. Okay. Next, you can run pip install -out requirements.co. This file contains all the requirements for this particular project, like Streamlit. Then if I'm using some other dependencies, all these things will be there in the requirement.txt. Okay. Next step is Python -m Streamlit run app.py. You can run this here, you see. And that will prompt you the local port number. You can visit this port number and that will open the application. Okay, this is a simple application, simple in a way, like simple to understand, but it contains the all the it is using the technology. Okay, let's you have a quick run over the our app.py. Here you see I have imported all the required libraries. You can see I have even Gen AI from Google. We are loading the Gen AI. Then we are loading the Gemini API key. Then you can see in the sidebar, I am asking to enter the API key. If not, it will be fetching the API key. If it is unable to fetch, it will ask the user to input. And all these things are streamlined things just to, if you want your application to be more colorful, you can make the changes. So as a future scope, what you can do, you can make the our application to download the timetable, or you can prepare it is in a matrix format or whatsoever. Okay, just you want to have a printed copy. That also all those downloadable PDF, that all those things you can include it. So here I have given the option to select the model. Okay, which model, if it is not available, another one will be selected. Let's go and see the prompt. Here you see, you are an expert academic planner. I'm saying to the API model that our AI model, you are an expert AI academic planner. Create a realistic practical study plan. You see subject list, you have to give by comma, then date, then number of the days remaining, it will calculate, and how many hours you can study per day. Okay, we have given some instructions. Okay, do not create multi-year phase. Then based on days left, provide weekly study plan, daily subject distribution, final revision for 7 days, motivation team. All those things I have given here. Okay, if you want to add something, okay, give I have 2 hours, prepare, divide that hours into 4 slot or something. What you want? Okay, depending upon the requirement, you can change the prompt and get the desired timetable. Okay, that's all. I'm stopping here. Please make use of the resources that I'm sharing. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel so that I will be making much more interesting contents. Thank you. Have a great day.